This is very disheartening news for every fan of Hera Fairy 3 because Babu Rao is no longer a part of the franchise. Yes, the iconic actor Paresh Rawal has officially quit the film, and this exit has left not just fans but also the entire team of Hera Fairy shocked and shaken. What started as an unexpected public announcement by Paresh Rawal soon turned into a full blown controversy. Initially, it was said that there were no creative differences between him and the makers. In fact, Paresh Rawal himself clarified that he had no issues with director Priyadarshan. He stated clearly, I have immense love, respect, and faith in Mr. Priyadarshan. Then why did he leave? The real storm hit when Akshay Kumar, who is not just the lead actor but also the producer of the film, through his production house Cape of Good Films, took a strong step. Accordingly, Akshay's team sent a legal notice to Paresh Rawal demanding rupees 25 crore in damages. Why? Because Paresh had already signed a legal contract, taken the signing amount, and even shot a part of the film before walking out. And what's more heartbreaking, director Priyadarshan revealed that Paresh didn't inform anyone before leaving, and he didn't stop him either. Priyadarshan also clarified that contrary to rumors, Akshay Kumar has never cut down anyone's role or interfered with the director's vision. In fact, Akshay was deeply hurt, so much so that he had tears in his eyes when he asked Priyadarshan, why is Paresh doing this to us? Akshay had bought the rights of the Hera Fairy franchisee after the trio, Akshay, Sunil Shetty and Paresh Rawal, unanimously agreed to reunite. Contracts were signed, a teaser with the trio was shot, and everyone was excited to bring back the magic. But suddenly it all fell apart. Sunil Shetty also expressed shock. He said he had no clue about Paresh's decision and thought of texting him, or better yet, meeting him in person to understand what went wrong. He said even Akshay was clueless and described this exit as a crisis. Now, with Babu Rao stepping away, fans across the country are upset. Many believe that without Paresh Rawal, there can be no Hera Fairy. Social media was flooded with suggestions for his replacement, and one name that kept popping was Pankaj Tripathi. But can anyone truly replace Babu Rao Ganpat Rao Apte? When asked about this, Pankaj Tripathi responded with complete honesty and humility. He said he had seen fans suggesting his name, but he does not believe he is the right fit. Paresh ji is an amazing actor. I am zero in front of him. I don't think so I can do it. I respect him a lot, he said. And maybe that's the kind of respect only legendary characters can earn. Because for many of us, Babu Rao is not just a character, he is an emotion, a memory, a symbol of the timeless comedy that Hera Fairy brought into our lives. Meanwhile, some reports suggest that the real reason behind Paresh Rawal's exit might be linked to a hefty fee demand. A source claimed, whatever the reason may be, one thing is certain, Hera Fairy 3 will never be the same without Babu Rao. The film that defined comedy for an entire generation is now standing at a turning point. So now the question is, do you think anyone can truly replace Paresh Rawal as Babu Rao? And if not, should Hera Fairy 3 even be made? Tell us what you think, and more importantly, would you want to see Pankaj Tripathi as the next Babu Bhaiya? Let us know your views in the comment section, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal for more updates.